What if you could begin the new year feeling lighter, clearer, and fully restored, body, mind, and spirit? Hi friends, this is Renoir from Eden Lifestyle, and I want to invite you to start the new year with something truly life-changing. For so many of us, years of toxin, stress, weight gain, and health issues have left our bodies overloaded and exhausted. But this January 1st, that can change. We're launching our 30-day Total Body Reset Workshop, a complete guided detox and cleansing experience used by hundreds under Eden Lifestyle's health programs. Your reset includes 5 herbal cleanse formulas you need: a parasite cleanse, colon cleanse, liver detox, kidney flush, and blood purifier. Everything arrives right to your door. Plus, you'll get step-by-step video guidance, written instructions, daily juicing recipes, and a detailed roadmap so you never feel lost. This program is designed by Eden Lifestyle after years of guiding people through successful cleanses with life-changing results. Hundreds have already joined us in cleansing their bodies, losing weight, restoring their energy, and reversing long-standing health issues naturally. And now, we're inviting you to join the January 1st group reset, an entire community cleansing together, encouraging each other, staying accountable, and starting the year right. Everything you need: one guided program, 30 days to cleanse your body and renew your life. Spots are limited. Order your detox kit today and start your total body reset with us on January 1st. Your health transformation begins right here.